Come test drive the 2021 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seat trim. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.